It was a little cool outside this morning with some patchy fog. We had temperatures actually dip back into the lower 40s. Probably need a jacket this morning, but I'll tell you this afternoon there's going to be a lot of t-shirts and shorts. I have a feeling. Low temperatures coming in from across the region. About 42 this morning in Mount Vernon, 42 in Carbondale. A little warmer into western Kentucky. Clouds hanging on there a little longer as well. Murray bottomed out at 48 degrees. Things starting to warm up pretty nicely now, though, with lots of sunshine overhead and a very fall-like morning outside. This afternoon, though, feeling almost more like September than what we think of for the first day of November. Once again, temperatures now starting to warm up into the 60s in many locations. One of the areas that we saw the fog linger around a little longer is right across the Wabash River Valley. So temperatures there have been a little slower to warm. Ridgeway still at 58. Meanwhile, McLeansboro at 56. We've got 60s, though, in Carbondale, 66 there. Anna right now at 64. Vienna currently at 63, and Golconda also at 63. Some upper 60s already across western Kentucky. Mayfield currently at 68, Paducah at 67, Benton currently at 63, and Sykeston, Missouri at 64 right now. Poplar Bluff at 68 degrees. High pressure in control today, keeping things fairly quiet. We'll see a lot more sunshine across southern Illinois. A few high thin cirrus clouds rolling in from the south across parts of Kentucky and northwest Tennessee. We are tracking an area of low pressure back into South Texas, producing a lot of rain actually right along the Gulf Coast. That is going to begin tracking north and eastward, but it's going to run into a lot of dry air, so not anticipating much in the way of wet weather as it makes its way through our region. Later on this afternoon, we'll see high temperatures, lower 70s across most of southern Illinois, some mid 70s possible into the Missouri boot heel. Increasing clouds later on tonight. 8 o'clock, we're still into the mid to upper 50s, so a very pleasant evening ahead for us. More clouds around overnight. Then we look ahead to tomorrow morning. The model here may be pulling out a sprinkle or two. Could see some patchy drizzle, mainly near the Kentucky-Tennessee line. Again, most areas are going to stay dry. Waking up Wednesday morning in the mid to upper 40s. And then here we go into Wednesday afternoon. High temperatures with a light south breeze climbing into the mid 70s, and we'll continue to climb from there. Thursday 76, Friday upper 70s, could see a few spots even close to 80 degrees. Temperatures come down just a bit into the first part of the weekend as our next rainmaker makes its way into our region. Still some uncertainty on the exact timing. Right now, thinking likely Saturday for the best chance for rain. Could see even a couple of showers, though, arrive very late Friday night. Rainfall forecast, still not expecting a big rainmaker for much of our region next 7 days, but we could see another half an inch, and it's with as dry as we are, we could still use some of the rain. But quiet through the rest of this week and well above average for the first part of November. Looking ahead to Saturday, there's that chance of rain we're talking about. Showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. At this point, not concerned with severe weather. Of course, then we're going to set our clocks back Saturday night into Sunday morning. A couple lingering showers into Sunday and even into Monday. Look at those temperatures, though. Mid to upper 70s through Friday. We'll cool back a few degrees Saturday and Sunday with the rain, but temperatures staying in the 70s through Monday and Tuesday. A more substantial cool down likely towards the second half of next week. But it's November. We're talking mid 70s, maybe even close to 80 by the end of this week.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I really like it. It seems like the best of both worlds, you know, warm temperatures and that rain that we need as well.
Someone that hates winter, I'll take it.
Thank you, Nick.